Today we're going to discuss masculinity's role in our lives and how we can strive for a healthier, more inclusive version of it. This video is on the importance of healthy masculinity. Over the past few years, there has been a growing awareness and conversation about the adverse effects of toxic masculinity. But it's important to remember that masculinity, in and of itself, is not the problem. Toxic masculinity is the unhealthy and rigid expectations placed on men and boys that can cause harm. So what is healthy masculinity? It's the idea that men and boys should be allowed to express themselves in various ways without feeling pressure to conform to narrow and harmful stereotypes. This includes being able to express emotion, being vulnerable, and valuing relationships over power and dominance. One of the key benefits of healthy masculinity is that it allows men and boys to form more profound, authentic connections with others. When men and boys feel they can be their true selves, they are more likely to build strong and supportive relationships with friends, family, and romantic partners. Another benefit is that healthy masculinity can lead to better mental health outcomes for men and boys. When men and boys feel pressure to conform to harmful stereotypes, it can lead to feelings of inadequacy and low self-esteem. But when men and boys feel free to express themselves in a wide range of ways, it can lead to greater self-awareness. For many of us, masculinity has been framed as a narrow and rigid set of expectations, from being physically strong and emotionally reserved to being successful and in control at all times. But this limited definition of masculinity can be harmful, not just to men themselves, but also to those around them. Studies have shown that toxic masculinity can lead to higher rates of depression, substance abuse, and even violence. It's time to challenge this narrow definition and embrace a more inclusive, healthier version of masculinity. So what does healthy masculinity look like? It starts with embracing your emotions and allowing yourself to feel vulnerable. It means treating others with kindness and respect and not using aggression or violence to solve problems. It also means being open to growth and change and recognizing that masculinity can look different for everyone. And here's the thing, this isn't just about being better men. It's about creating a positive role model for all of us. When we embrace healthy masculinity, we reduce destructive behaviors and attitudes and create a safer, more supportive environment for everyone. So, let's start the conversation. Let's encourage each other to challenge traditional definitions of masculinity and strive for a healthier, more inclusive version. It boils down to us being better mentors in creating a better society, and it starts with us. Thanks for watching, and let's work together to promote healthy masculinity. So what's your win condition?